This is the biggest fat burning of the 21st century, and you did not know it. It is amazing. Since ancient times, nature has been the main source of medicine for humans. In it we can find all the properties and nutrients we need to cure many diseases. That is why many have decided to leave conventional medicine aside to use natural medicine. The biggest advantage of this is that it does not cause damage and is costly as conventional. A natural drink used to treat many things is prepared with lemon and chia. This powerful beet helps us prevent the flu, cleanse the body and prevent fat buildup. That is why many people around the world have decided to include it in their diet. If you also want to do it, we will show you how to prepare easily in your home. Drink lemon and chia to burn accumulated fat. By itself, each of these ingredients are very good and healthy. However, when we combine them into a drink, the result is surprising. The best part of all is that both are very cheap and easy to get. That is why we can all prepare it if we wish. What we will need: lemon juice 1 unit, chia seeds 1 tablespoon, honey 1 tablespoon, water 1 1/2 glasses. Preparation and use: to begin, we must soak the seeds of chia for at least 1 hour. When they absorb the water, they will look like gel pellets because of the fiber they contain. Exhausted that time, we mix them with the amount of water indicated above and the juice of lemon. Finally, we bring all the ingredients to a blender and liquefy very well. This delicious juice should be consumed every day in the morning. By doing so, we will accelerate our metabolism and lose weight quickly and effectively. I asked